Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm going to show you how to change a 5 feet orientation on this device. So if you want to change the A5 feet orientation from landscape to the other, for example, you can change it using this EWS, empty web server, so local web server. So to do it, just open this this IP, or just check the IP address of your printer, and you can do it on your printer screen. Then click settings, then choose preferences, and find here tray and paper management. And here, as you can see, we have a 5 feet orientation, so you can change it from portrait to landscape, or for landscape to the portrait mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.